watch my first video on the internet, it feels boring, and I'm guessing you feel the same when you saw yours. Over the internet, I tried to learn the art of filmmaking and video editing, and I discovered that there are many rules across the internet for all aspects of video production, and especially for YouTube, the rules are totally different. So stop using needless transitions that make your videos boring. Instead, try this easy cut to instantly improve your videos. The first is jump cut. Use this cut to show an instant change in the scene of your video, and it is especially used in horror movies to build up the suspense in the scene. In simple words, there is no additional transition need to be added into your video. It's just a simple cut and add it up into your next scene. But here's the problem: we thought that adding some random cut into our video will create a proper story. Well, that's not the case. You need to show your audience a proper story in it, which doesn't feel like any missing part is remaining. Let me give you an example. In this scene at the first, I used the jump cut to cut the time and show about the daily routine of my life as a video editor. And I think you got the point. Especially in YouTube, we are commonly using the fast-paced jump cut to build up the excitement or tension in this scene. Thinking about the cuts, we don't have to miss the match cut, which are commonly used in filmmaking, and as a video editor, I use a lot. So what is match cut? This cut is used to match the one scene of a video to your second shot, creating a seamless transition. Match cut are the type of cut in filmmaking that joins two shots based on their visual, and the goal of the match cut is to create a smooth transition between shots. Let me take an example. This scene I used to create a match cut which is focused on the time which has passed away and what I become now. In this shoot also I use match cut. Just plan your video to add this match cut to improve your storytelling, and you can create a visually interesting video by using this match cut. Speaking of cuts, if I don't include L and J cut, it will feel incomplete, and this cut is most commonly used in filmmaking. Creating an L cut means doing a cut to the visual of the next scene before cutting to the audio. Let me show you how to achieve this L cut. Place the first clip before the second clip on your timeline, ensuring that the matching audio is underneath them. Cut the first clip so it ends where you want the visual transition to the second clip to take place. Then extend the audio of the first clip into the audio of second past the visual transition. And voila, you have the L cut. Similarly to L cut, this J cut. It is a type of editing transition where the audio of the next shot begins before the video from the other shot. Let me show you an example. I will show you today how you transform your average video to looking like this to something like this. In this video, I made a J cut and used between. If you want amazing lighting setup, then watch this video. It's very helpful. And let me know how you like it. The name J cut comes from the shape, the audio and the video on the editing timeline, with the audio track extending beyond the video track, resembling the letter J. And here you can make your video amazing and doesn't feel boring. So don't be afraid to inject some personality into your videos, whether it's through humor, storytelling or quick editing. Adding a little spice can turn your dull video into a memorable one. But still, learning all this will take some time, and sometimes we don't know where to start editing. So here's the video. I tell you a lot about how to choose the right software, how to build a portfolio, and how you can get a client. So watch this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.